All right, YouTube, I'm back with another video on my way to another meet, as I said in the last video. So hopefully y'all are enjoying. As you can see, got my boy Jay in his M235i. I'm gonna leave his stuff in the description, so go check him out. But yeah, these meets the past couple of nights have been crazy. Check my YouTube shorts if you haven't already, because that's all I've been really recording. But I'm gonna get an actual video for y'all tonight, so let's see what happens. Got a little Hellcat 300 with a drag pack on it. You got whatever this is right here. Oh, fuck. Get me away from that shit, gang. What the fuck? Gang, get me away from that shit, bro. I don't know if you can really see me, but I got a couple clips for y'all, but the cops just pulled up, so we're gonna go to the next spot. I don't know really where it's gonna be at, but yeah, let's see what happens. All right, we're going to the next spot. Hey, why was he jumping like a bitch the whole time?
I know, bro. Bro,
watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, nobody see him, nobody see him. Watch out, watch out. Oh shit. Yo, he bought my car, bro. Alright, we're about to leave, but everyone rolling out right now. Yeah, but we about to leave. This shit dead.
Yeah.
Alright, we're about to leave, but I'm gonna get a video of Jay revving it real quick for him. Rev it! There's the burbles. There we go. Finally, the burbles kicked in at the end.
I know, right? I noticed I gotta get around like 3,000 to 4,000.
Yeah?
Anything above that, it doesn't kick in.
Alright, I'm gonna head home now. I'll probably see you at the DDE meet, maybe?
Maybe.
Alright, bet. Alright, YouTube, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully, y'all enjoyed it. It was a little bit of a short one, but tomorrow I'm going to the DDE headquarters to record their block party, so that video is gonna go absolutely crazy. Make sure y'all sub to get notified when that video comes out. But hopefully, y'all enjoyed. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Alright, I'm out. Peace.